Next we are discussing logarithmic function. Logarithmic function. So first we are discussing what is logarithmic function. Okay, so a function y equal to log x to the base a is called logarithmic function. Logarithmic function. Okay, so y equal to log x to the base a is called logarithmic function, where a is called what? Base. Okay, a is what? Base. Okay, and here base should be what? Base should be greater than 0 and base should not be 1. Okay, and x is called what? Argument. X is called what? Argument. Okay, and here argument should be greater than 0. Argument should be greater than 0. So these three terms, base should be greater than 0, base should not be 1, and argument should be greater than 0. It will be used for finding domain of logarithmic function. Okay, so this is your logarithmic function. Next we are discussing relation between exponential function and logarithmic function. So what is the relation between these two functions? So here logarithmic function is a inverse function of exponential function. Okay, logarithmic function is a inverse function of exponential function. That means logarithmic of a number x is a value through which base power should be raised to get the number x. Okay, so according to definition, logarithmic function is an inverse function of exponential function. That means logarithmic of a number x. That means logarithmic of a number x. Okay, suppose base is what? B. Okay, so logarithmic of a number x to the base b is a value, that is suppose c. Okay, so logarithmic of a number x is a value through which base power should be raised to get the number x. Okay, so here log x to the base b is a value c. Okay, so value is what? C. Value is c. And what is c value? If I raise b power c, we should get x. Okay, so logarithmic of a number x to the base b is a value through which base power we have to put, so that we'll get x. For example, if I take log 8 to the base 2 is a value. Okay, so this value is suppose c. So here 2 power what we have to put, so that we'll get 8. So here this one we can write 2 cube. So here c value is what? 3. That means log 8 to the base 2 value will be what? 3. So what will come? Log 8 to the base 2 will be what? 3. Okay. Next example if I take here, log 10,000 to the base 10. So this is a value. Okay, so we have to find out this value. Suppose this value is what? Alpha. Okay, so what is alpha value? So here for finding alpha, what you will do? base power we have to put alpha, so that we'll get number 10,000. So 10,000 we can write what? 10 power 4. So what will come? 10 power alpha. So you can say this is 10, this is 10. So alpha must be 4. That means here alpha value is what? 4. So we can say that log 10,000 to the base 10 value is what? 4. That's your answer. So logarithmic of a number x is a value through which base power should be raised to get the number. So this relation will be there from logarithmic to exponential and exponential to logarithmic. Next we are discussing important point. So here most important point is what? If I have y equal to log x to the base e. Okay, so if this is given, we want to find out x value. So x equal to what will come? This base power what will come? Y. A power what will come? Y. And if this one is given, then if you want to write in terms of this one, so how to write? Here y equal to what will come? This a will come in base of x. So a will come what? Log x to the base a. So if this one is given, we can write this one, and if this one is given, we can write this one. So this conversion we have to remember. This is the important point in the logarithmic function. If I take example here, suppose if I take log alpha to the base b equal to beta. So here alpha equal to, we can write as what? B power beta. B power beta. And if this one is given, so what we can write here? What will come? Beta. Beta equal to log alpha to the base b. One more example we are taking here. If I have log 6 to the power base 3 equal to suppose gamma. So here 6 equal to what we can write? 3 power gamma. And if this one is given, then how to write? If this one is given, how to write? Gamma equal to, this 3 will come in base. So what will come? Log 6 to the base 3. This is the first important point of logarithmic function. So this we have to remember, how to convert from here to here and how to convert from here to here. So if this equation is given, we can write this one. If this equation is given, we can write this one. So this is the most important point in this chapter that we will use many times. Next important point is what? We know y equal to what? Log x to the base a, where a is what? Base. A is what? Base. Now if I take base is e, okay, if I take a equal to what? E, then what will come here? Y equal to log x to the base e. So this one we can represent by ln x also. Okay, so if it is written ln x, that means base is what? E. This is called natural log. Natural log. For example, if I give ln 2, so what is the meaning of this one? Log 2 to the base e. So if it is written ln 2, we can add log 2 to the base e. Second thing is what? If I take a value is what? 10. If a value is what? 10, that means base is what? 10. Then what will come? Y equal to log x to the base 10. So what will come? Y equal to log x to the base 10. This one we can represent by log x. Okay, so log x meaning is what? Base is 10. This is called common log. Common log. This is called common log. Okay. For example, if I give log of 2. So what is the meaning of log 2? That is log 2 to the base 10. Okay. Next is what? Here one thing you have to remember. If I give log 10, log e to the base 10. So what is the value of this one? This value is what? 0.4343. Similarly, if I take log 10 to the base e, this one value will be what? 2.303. Okay, these two values we can remember if you want to convert. These two values will be used in physics and chemistry, but in maths we will not use, but you can remember for physics and chemistry. So if base is what? E, then we can write ln x. If base is 10, then we can write log x. So this is the second important point.